Picture this. You open your terminal, and instead of that plain, boring prompt, you see something clean, colorful, and actually helpful. Commands auto-suggest themselves, directories are easy to read, and everything just feels modern. That's exactly what Fish Shell brings to Linux Mint. Let's walk through this together, step by step, in a simple and natural way. When you first install Linux Mint, you're using Bash by default. It's powerful, no doubt, but it feels old. Fish, which stands for Friendly Interactive Shell, is designed to fix that. It gives you smart suggestions as you type, better tab completion, and a much cleaner experience without needing heavy configuration. The best part is, it just works out of the box. Before we even talk about themes, let's get Fish installed. Once it's installed, you can launch it for the first time. The moment you open Fish, you'll notice something different. Start typing any command you've used before, and Fish will suggest the rest in a faded color. You can just press the right arrow key to accept it. It feels small, but once you get used to it, you can't go back. Now here's where things get really interesting. Fish has a built-in web-based configuration tool. You just run a simple command, and it opens a page in your browser. From there, you can preview themes, change colors, and see everything update live in your terminal. No guesswork, no restarting. Just instant feedback. Inside that configuration page, you'll find a bunch of ready-made themes. Some are minimal, some are vibrant, and some give you that power user look. A few that really stand out. The default theme is clean and balanced. It's perfect if you want something modern but not distracting. Then there's Dracula-inspired styles, which bring dark backgrounds with neon-like colors. These look amazing if you work at night. Another favorite is minimal themes that show only what matters. Current directory, prompt symbol, and nothing else. Fast, clean, focused. But if you want to go beyond built-in themes, this is where things level up. There's a tool called Oh My Fish. Think of it like a plugin manager for Fish. It lets you install advanced themes, add features, and completely transform your terminal. One of the most popular themes is bobthefish. This one gives you a powerline-style prompt. You'll see your current folder, Git branch, and status indicators all in one clean line. It looks professional, and more importantly, it's actually useful. Another great one is Agnoster. It's simple but informative, especially if you work with Git a lot. Now let's talk about daily use, because this is where Fish really shines. When you start typing commands, Fish remembers everything, not just history, but patterns. So even if you type half a command, it can predict the rest. Tab completion is smarter too. It shows real suggestions with descriptions, not just file names. And unlike Bash, you don't need to install extra scripts to get syntax highlighting. Fish highlights commands, errors, and parameters automatically, so you instantly know if something is wrong before you even hit enter. One small thing that makes a big difference. Fish uses a slightly different syntax for scripting compared to Bash, but for everyday terminal use, you won't even notice it. And honestly, for most users, Fish feels easier and more natural. Now imagine your workflow after this. You open the terminal, it looks clean, it suggests commands, it helps you move faster. And instead of fighting the terminal, you actually enjoy using it. That's the real upgrade.